How to find someone location by phone number. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch your Chrome browser or Safari browsers on your device. Tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in Truecaller. Then you will land on this riddle section where you need to tap on the official website of Truecaller. Tap on it and open this. Now you will land on the official interface of Truecaller where you have to tap on search phone number bar. Enter the phone number of the person whose location you want to know. So let's enter the phone number and search for that particular user. Once you search for that particular user, you will see address just underneath your mobile number. You need to tap on address button. Then you will land on this map section where you can easily scroll down in this tree and tap the small circle like icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And you will see exact location for that person when you zoom in this way. Now you can easily track their location and easily visit them using this phone number. So it was quite simple to find someone location by phone number. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.